Hey YouTube, JW here. Don't you just love it when you get new stuff in the mail? You mail order stuff, whatever it may be. Knives, guns, ammo. Maybe I'm just what's wrong with society. I don't know. But I like getting stuff. Yeah, it's fun. You know, if you've my subscribers or if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I just got an UZI this week, and I ordered one of these knives. I've never bought any UZI knives before, and I haven't even opened this. I bought it on eBay. Almost looks like a butterfly knife. Made in China, of course. Got a pretty decent pocket clip. I think this was called the UZI Defender. I could be wrong on that. I was browsing through eBay and I saw it, and I went ahead and picked it up. It's a small knife, but the quality is pretty good. The G-10 grip. Really takes two hands to open it. It's pretty stiff. It's like it's 420 stainless steel, which isn't the best, but it locks up good. When you close it, it's got a pretty good edge on it. It's a small little knife. You can grip it good, and definitely be a nice little handy light knife to keep in your pocket, and that's what I wanted, to have just a little knife. And this one's kind of unique the way it opens and closes. It's got a unique look to it. I like it. Little glass breaker there. You know, and this, like a butterfly knife, that's such a solid platform. It does it. I don't have real big hands, but it grips pretty good right there. Right in your fingers, just fit right in the right area for working with a blade this size. I like it. Oops. It's a cool little knife. The UZI knife. It's a cool box. UZI's got a full line of stuff now that they're marketing. Flashlights, knives, tactical gear. So I'm going to be getting out getting some new UZI stuff, testing it out. But I like it so far. Thanks for watching.